Hi, I'm Jennifer Ogalios, Assistant Vice President and Project Leader for the Solar Photovoltaic System at Kanepackage Philippine Incorporated. Kanepackage started implementing its solar PV system in March 2023. This project was driven by Kanepackage commitment to sustainability and the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. We wanted to take a step towards cleaner energy and greener future. Launching the solar PV system involved several key steps. First, assessing feasibility and reviewing the budget and timeline. Second, building the right team to ensure smooth execution. Third, choosing the best contractor and really finding a trusted partner. And lastly, engaging stakeholders by getting full commitment from everyone involved. Since installing the solar PV system, we've cut our energy consumption by at least 30%, which means significant savings on our monthly costs. More importantly, we are reducing greenhouse gas emission and taking real action toward a more sustainable future. At Kanepackage, our long-term vision is to become a carbon-neutral company by 2050. We will achieve this by reducing emission and offsetting our carbon footprint through initiatives like our solar and mangrove projects. The solar PV system is just one of the many ways we're working towards this goal. We've committed to expanding it to more branches and affiliates to maximize its impact. At the heart of our mission is the belief that profitability and sustainability can go hand in hand. We remain dedicated to enhancing our initiatives to drive long-term environmental responsibility.